So are we going to see Crow versus Woodpecker in this episode? Because in the previous episode, Crow was training. He was doing one-hand push-ups. He was training. I assumed that he was going to be like a mentor to Ganta, but unfortunately, that ain't happening. So, welcome. I'm Scrapto40, and we back with another reaction video of Deadman Wonderland. And Ganta, they had him strapped onto the bed, his eyes open, and playing this video constantly for 24 hours. So, is that going to change his motive now and go fight Crow? Or he's gonna snap out of it and try to make some sense of it, because you know he is trying to prove his innocence still to this day. So let's see what this episode has in store for us today.
Carnival Corpseの概要です。
So this is what I was just talking about.
負けたら死ぬ。簡単でしょ。
When you get candy and stuff, you lose, you die. That's simple.
デッドマン同士の戦いに筋肉量は関係ないですからね。
But he's still looking for that red man, and he told them potentially if you keep fighting, maybe go against him. What do you mean you can't beat a guy like him? Yes, you can, buddy. I believe in you.
負けて死んでも大事な研究対象。無駄にはしません。だから。
Oh shit. What the fuck?
所長はただいま面会謝絶です。下級に問いただしたい件がある。悪いが通してもらう。
Oh shit. Y'all fucking with the wrong person. She don't play that shit. She's not even flinching. Oh, she just walked away. Oh, I thought she was about to go beep, 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 pop, boom, 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 pop, 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 pop. Get out of my way. But she just walked away from it. You still worrying about those cards, Point? She's over there worrying about her friend. I've told you.
追い出されたところの扉はびくともしないし、そんなにガンタ君が心配。
ガンタは昔からダメっ子だよ。だってガンタ弱いんだもん。
He's weak.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh shit. We're about to get the battle. Oh fuck. He's not gonna try to fight him. Oh shit. Oh shit. He's not gonna fight you, buddy. Oh shit. That center. He's learning his powers. Not strong enough. Oh shit, he's fainting. Damn, he cut that shit all in pieces? You're not gonna show him the end of the... Oh, maybe you are. Fuck. Yo, come on. Put it together, buddy. Try to figure out. No, you try to kill his friend, so that's why. That's true. I know we ended up here, buddy, but I know you gotta prove you're innocent.
ガンタ弱いんだもん。弱すぎてつまんない。
仕方ないでしょ。ガンタは普通の子なんだから。
Nah, he remembered. He probably remembered, because remember at first he was like, who are you?
でもね、
He don't quit. That's one thing about him.
ガンタがすごいのはね。
He has that willpower not to quit.
何度でも立つんだよ。
He will always get up and get up again. Yes! We about to get that battle, y'all! Yes, right. This kid gonna fuck you up. It hurts. I'm scared. But he don't want to go down without a fight, baby. Neither do I. Let's go. The moment we've been waiting for. Fight for all of the people that the red man killed. Caught him. Oh! Caught him slipping. Oh! Yo, they caught him slipping. Ooh, stumbling. Ooh, now he's on the ground. Don't ever disrespect him like that again.
やっと帰ってこれた。
よう探したぜ。お前の欲しがってた情報掴んだぞ。
The information he was looking for.
ガンタファイシロはきあそれ
She always got a song. So he won the fight, right? All right. So the winner is him, obviously.
おい、待てよ。
Oh, he didn't kill him. Oh, okay. He just lost.
覚えとくぜ。五十嵐、
I fucking know he's gonna be our mentor one day. I had this feeling. He remind me of Toto from Jujutsu Kaisen with Yuji. You know how they always fight and he slapped him in the face. Was like, I'm gonna be your best friend. That's who he remind me of. I know later on the episode they're gonna team up. I just have a funny feeling. I'll just throw that out there. Oh no, that's right. When you lose, they kill you. I just remember that. Fuck! How can I forget about that?
それじゃ罰ゲームを始めるわね。
罰ゲームって。
ストップ。
Right eye. And they showing this to all the people that been watching. Sick mother flower. Save him! What the hell just happened? Oh, she's that strong?
なんだあれや。こちら本部だ。SR4 区。
Oh, they're taking over.
システムを乗っ取られる恐れがあります。女です。白い髪の女が一人でした。
なんだこいつは。
She's different now.
やんだ
Autobuy has stopped. Oh. You fucked up now, buddy. You fucked up now. I didn't even know how strong she is until now. What? What's that blue thing around her arm?
忘れちゃダメなんだ。ここは何もかも。
Is she also? I'm trying to see, was that her? That killed everybody in his school? They just threw the ultimate curveball right now. Like, I knew something was fishy about her. No one knows. She don't have a collar. She don't have a number. How she wind up going there. Now I see her smile. I think this is the curveball to throw at me to put in my mind that she is the person we've been looking for. But even though the way she smiled, I don't think the teeth is the same. So, I knew she was strong. I knew there was something fishy about her, but I didn't know she had those hidden powers as well. And why is hers turning blue? Is she part of the red man with those powers? I cannot believe they threw this ultimate curveball at us. But what an episode. Ganta won his first fight, but then I totally forgot if you lose, you die. They took Crow's right eye, and obviously they're gonna kill him. But now hearing all the explosion, is that person gonna be alive still? Because it's a commotion that's happening. That kid tried to set Shiro up, didn't realize that he just unleashed a whole new beast. And he's like, shock and a mother flower. The $1 million question is, and I know they want to put that in my mind, was she's the one, because she know he's innocent. She knows he didn't do it. But now I'm thinking she was gonna help him prove he's innocent, but I don't know now. Maybe she gonna fuck him up. I don't know what's happening now, man. They threw this curveball and they got my mind like asking so many fucking questions. My mind is twisted. I'm reaching here, there, There, I just don't know what's going to happen, but I can't wait to see what happened in the next episode. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video, and we'll see you next time. Later.